everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create this look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. First, I'm going to take some gel liner on an angled brush. Then I will be applying it all over my lid. As you can see, today I am using this gel liner as a base to apply my shadow. Today, before applying this one, I did not use any concealer, but you can also use if you want. Applying this doesn't have to be perfect because afterwards we will be correcting it. Now I will use this round brush to soften the edges at my crease and also to blend it properly. Again, I will take some gel liner on this angled brush and I'm going to give it a proper shape. Do not hurry while doing this black base because it is really easy to create, but if not done precisely, then it will just create a big mess. Then I will use this beautiful gold shade from this palette, and with the help of a flat brush I will be applying it at my center of my lids and at my inner corners. It was only for this shade I decided to create this look because I just love this shade a lot. This is really a beautiful shade. I know it won't be coming so good in camera, but in real it is really beautiful. I will keep this golden shade up to my center part only and I won't go beyond that. Now I will blend both of the shades properly to give it a soft look. Now I will use this round brush for the blending to be more precise. I did not take any more product, that is the gel liner, on this round brush. The product which was left from the previous blending, I'm just using the brush like that. Now with a flat brush, I'm going to apply some more of that golden shade to give it an intense color. Now taking this black shimmery shade with the help of a round brush, I'm going to apply it on my gel liner as to intensify the color a bit. Now I will take some more of that gel liner on an angled brush and I will be applying it on my waterline and my lower lash line. I will use this gel liner as a kohl, that is kajal, to apply on my lower lash line and to give it a very bold look. In the place of gel liner, you can also use kajal in your eyes. With the same brush, I'm going to take some more gel liner and I'm going to create a pointed inner corner. I always use liquid liners to create pointed inner corners, but this time I used this brush with some gel liner, and to be really honest, it was really tough for me to do this. As this was the first time I was doing the pointed inner corner with an angle brush, I think that is the reason it was difficult for me to do. Again, I'm going to take this shade with a flat brush and I'm going to extend the color up to my inner corner wing. Then I'm going to take this shade and with the help of a flat brush, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I won't use a lot of product here because I want the black color to look more intense. Then I'm going to use this shade as a highlighter to highlight my brow bones only, because this time I'm not going to apply any highlighter on my inner corners. Then I'm going to use this mascara and I'm going to apply it on my upper lashes and lower lashes. For this look, I won't use any liner on my upper lash line, but you can always do if you want. To finish this look, I will wear some eyelashes off camera and then come back and show you the final look. So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look, and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to comment down below and let me know what other eye looks you want me to create it for you. And if you plan on creating this look, then do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Till then, have fun, take care of yourself. Bye bye.